parang it's normal that you can see deer running around when you are in the mountains, you know. Thank you from Jew Adventures. This refers to Lumaga, okay? Thank you, Lumaga from Jew Adventures. Here in Spain, you can still see deers running around when you go to the mountains, guys. But it's hard to take video when they are running. Yeah. When you go to the mountains, there are still deer running. And also, what we call this, reindeer. There are deers and reindeers. Kuya, aglumang kanta ka kasi ako naging English dito yun. Free weather forecast from the Philippines. It's raining and I think I heard a rumble of thunder. Don't tell Tofi. Oh, don't tell me also, David Sheridan. I'm afraid of thunder and lightning. I am very old and I'm still afraid of thunder and lightning, you know. This is my secret, guys, and now you know. Dito sa Pinas yung taga-Puno. Nagre-reconnect yung ano ko. Nagre-reconnect. Sirip lang ating si Kuyang. Ayan, naka 2 hours na tayo, guys. So, mag-shoutout na tayo. Guys, we are going, I am going to stop my live. Thank you so much. It's time for shoutout. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for your kind support. Shout out to Leon Olson. Thank you so much. You are the first comment and the first like from Inang Pom. Leon Olson, Kakuda Pom, Inang Pom, thank you so much. Watander Vlog, he's from Sweden. Thank you so much for dropping by. Barry, thank you so much, my dear friend. Katon's Vlog, I don't know if he's still there. Lorico, thank you so much, sis, for dropping by. Rockafall, thank you so much. I know you are still on your live. Lutz Zutado ng Lutz, thank you so much. Jew Adventures, thank you so much, Bestie, for dropping by and for your support. I am glad you are okay now. Tony Mix Vlog, Kuya Antonio, thank you so much. Parekoy Official TV, nung Parekoy, salamat. Lalain Serami, may pamangkin. Hail G, thank you so much. Sisi, Manang Biday Vlogs, thank you so much. Kabsat, Lucy Warren's Word, thank you so much. Hungry D Kabsat, thank you so much. Lumaga Vlog, salamat. Salamat sa sa patawa-tawa mo dyan. And thank you so much for entertaining our visitors. And then All Things Jassy, thank you so much. And here I am still playing some of your videos. My life sunny side up, thank you so much, Bestie, for dropping by. Much love to everyone. Thank you from Jew Adventures. Welcome pa nga na edi may premyo kami ni Leon dahil kami first. Pasugod ating live bago ka mag-end. Okay, punta natin. Wait, ano ko kuyang i-link pin. Guys, before I'm going to stop, please, can we support this one, please? Can we support the one I drop, guys? Say hello. This is Cherry. Wait, kuyang, at mag-ano ako ng iba kasi naka-LS ako. Guys, can we support Cherry Vlog? She's on live. Can we support Cherry Vlog, guys? She's on live. Hindi ko maklik. I-click mo, Kabsat, yung ano niya, yung binaba ni Kuyang. Click mo muna yung pangalan ko. And then click mo yung link na nandun. Nakat, you're late. From Inang Pom. Katya from Sis Hungry D. Sir David Ju and Leon. Sir Tony and Barry. Hindi ko maklik, Tony. Good night, guys. Tamsak harang ateng. Good night, guys. Thank you so much, David, for your support. Salamat sa mga paharang dyan. Sis D, mega